Dear all, this is my first unboxing video, and as you see it is a Toyota Qualis. So let me just explain more details about this miniature model. This is a 1:32 scale model from Centy toys, and I have bought it on Flipkart, and this is just a very nominal model and very affordable for a newbie scale model collector. So this is the pack in which it came. So you can see the Centy cover there, and it says like 25 years of excellence in Centy mini automobile miniatures. And if you look at it, it says QUV 2.4. So from here, let me begin the explanation of what the scale model is all about. So Centy Toys, as you know, is a very old firm, and they used to make superbly good scale models of erstwhile gypsies, Mahindra Jeeps, and Maruti Suzuki 800s and all. And that used to be pretty die-cast models with exact scales and exact replicas. Very detailed models they were. I used to have one gypsy, but I lost it now. So when I started it again, I thought like I'll begin with Centy toys again, but I ordered 5 models. Out of this is the first one, which is the Toyota Qualis. Since the Centy toys is not having any copyright or trademark arrangement with Toyota, they tend to call it as QUV 2.4 instead of the Qualis, though on the vehicle it is written as Qualis and the underneath. And the vehicle looks good in its side profile and almost profile. Only the detailing part is not so great, but otherwise the vehicle is almost to scale, and it has done a good job with this model. So it is good for a beginner as such. Then another thing about Centy toys is that this comes in plastic, and hence it's pretty cheap to purchase also. If you look at the vehicle, I mean, the side profile looks good with the bumpers, the wheel arches, the footboards, the door trims, the creases, the quarter glass, and the last row glass, fuel lid. Everything is as per the original model itself, and the tires are also pretty neat to the size. It's proportional enough, and so is the rear bumper as well. So if you look at the front, the grille and the lights are replicated along with the bumper also, so it shows the high-end model bumper here. But you can see here it's written as QUV 2.4, and this is a pullback model. So you have a pullback action, so it is more meant as a toy rather than a scale model. And the interiors are also pretty detailed. I mean, so it's a 7-seater, and if you look at it, the front fascia is just a kind of a replica of erstwhile Toyota Qualis, and the rear quarter is also pretty decent. Detailing part is missing. The lights are just painted as orange, and the footboard and all those things are clearly depicted here, along with the creases, and the glass also makes sense. Only thing that I didn't like is that there's a sunroof coming over here, which is not part of the standard equipment. So other than that, this scale model looks okay, and it's good for a beginner to amateur scale model collector to have this in his stable. And I have purchased 5 of similar SUV scale models from Centy.